In the earlier lesson, we were able to successfully establish connection between a Python application and TWS. However, there is a small problem in the way the things are currently set up. So if you look at this line, app.run, what is happening is once this line is executed, our program goes into a loop where it keeps on decoding the messages that TWS is sending back, or it keeps on waiting for any new messages from TWS. So any code that we specify after this line won't be getting executed. So let's say if I write a simple statement, print this line is after the run loop. Let's save this file and go to command window and also open TWS. So if I run the program right now, you will see that that print statement won't be getting executed. So we got the connection response from TWS, but that statement that we specified over here is not getting printed. And that's because once this line is executed, it goes into a loop where it keeps on waiting for messages from TWS. So what we need to do is we need to run this line of code on a separate thread so that all the decoding of messages from TWS is done on a separate thread, and we can use this main thread, this main application, for sending any requests to TWS. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import the threading module, and I will create a thread. Let's call it t1 equal to threading dot thread, and define the target as app.run. Let's get rid of this line and start this thread, t1.start. Let's save this file. So what will happen is this thread gets started over here, and this method app.run gets executed on this new thread. So let's go to our terminal and also open TWS. Let's stop the previous run by pressing Ctrl and pause key, and again run our Python application. So this time you see that we have this print statement. This line is after the run loop getting executed, and this solves a problem.